MOT Juice is an online suite of tools designed to deliver, prompt and record DVSA required activity that you must undertake to enable you to retain your license to provide MOT testing to the public. MOT Juice will give you an efficient solution to the task of how to ensure the correct outcome of an MOT test. It will enable you to operate your business employing a quality management system as advised by the DVSA, so you can improve your efficiency and success at delivering the correct outcome of an MOT test, and in turn manage your risk score or RAG rating. MOT Juice will allow you to directly control and give you clear management oversight across your VTS of annual tester training progress, 5-year MOT tester training progress, MOT tester annual assessments, and MOT tester continuous professional development. If your MOT station has purchased the VTS tools from MOT Juice, you will be able to complete and manage QC checks, site audits, equipment calibrations, and MOT Juice VTS RAG rating score. This video will give you a brief outline of your user interface. We have produced further videos to help explain each function of the MOT Juice system in more detail, so be sure to check those out. Your main navigation menu can be found on the left side of the page. The all-important help and support button is located here. You can leave feedback at any time by clicking here. Announcements regarding system updates can be found here. This orange G shows you are logged in at a garage level, and you can manage your account details here. Clicking the edit button will allow you to make any changes to your business information. You can add more users here. And if you have them, you can manage your web portals here. You can manage your package settings here. You can view your upgrade options here. You can change your card payment details here. You can manage how we contact you here. And you can change which notifications you receive. For more information about a notification, you can click the Help button. And here, you can manage your email address and your phone number. You can change your password at any time here. And here is where you can log out. You can return to your dashboard here, and you can change the view of your dashboard here. You can see an overview of your MOT Juice RAG rating risk score, and you can get more information by clicking the Help buttons, and a management view on how to improve your MOT Juice RAG score. Here you can see your tester's 3 hours of DVSA annual training progress, your tester's CPD progress, an overview of their annual assessment exam status, QC checks, site audits, VTS equipment calibrations, equipment servicing, and 5-year training commitments. If you have multiple accounts with MOT Juice, you can link them here. If you have a tester account, simply enter the username and password. And now you can switch between your tester account and your garage management account. Please watch our other videos that cover each of the items in the menu on the left to gain further insight on how to get the most out of your MOT Juice subscription.